So I dug out this Lomvum drill attached riveter. It's about 20 something dollars on eBay. Came in a package like this. Okay, first reverse the drill and you hear that clicking sound. Now switch your drill to forward and insert the clamp into the shank of the rivet and then it should pop it. Now I have a 3/8 drill here. If you use a smaller size drill, you're going to have a struggle. It's just not going to have enough power to pop the rivet. So that's why I'm using a wide drill instead of a cordless. And then you expel your rivet shank here. Okay. So it does actually work. And to relieve or expel the shank, you put it in reverse again. So when you use the riveter to set the rivet, when you turn your drill clockwise, the clamp inside grips the shank of the rivet and pulls it down and it pops the rivet. So that is what is inside, and then you have these different pieces that adjust to the diameter of the shank of your rivets. It comes with extra set of clamp or the clamp that is inside here. I'm not sure how to change those yet. I guess you have to take this apart, but that is something I don't need to do now. You hear that clicking sound? That means it's ready.